Hello, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the August late code challenge problem, but this is the previous problem. I am not able to produce my video on that time. So right now I'm recording there, and then after that I'm trying to implement my logic as a dry run, and then after that I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So let's go to the question. Basically, they reduce array size to the half. So basically the question is a array has been given and I can choose a set of integer and remove all the occurrence of this integer in this array. It means that according to the example, that is 3 3 3 4 times 3, 3 times 5, 2 times 2 and 1 times 7. So in that case so I'll reduce that the 3 and the 5. In that case the array size will become the half of the current size. So there is an two possibility, that means the two minimum size, that is the 3 5 3 2 and 5 2. So basically that will have to return as an answer. So how I'm trying to solve that, let's make first dry run, then after that I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. 4 times 3, that is first time the 3 3 3 3, 4 times 3, 3 times 5, 3 times 5, 3 times 5, 2 times 2 and 7, 2 times 2 and 7. So what I will do that, first I will taking their occurrence basically into the map. So what is happening, that 3 is 4 times, 5 is 3 times, 2 is 2 times and 7 is 1 times. So what I will do that, I will insert all the occurrence into the priority queue. And what is happening in the priority queue, if I have been putting the priority queue, the maximum number of occurrence of any number, that will be placed in the top. So what will be that, is equal to 4, 3, 2 and 1. So how I'll try to do that, basically right now I am checking there, if right now there is a 4, that is the 4. So right now there is a element, first I have been taking as a variable, that is element is equals to 0, and element after that 0 plus 4, so that is 4 times, after that 4 times, and the total size is basically 4 3 7 7 3, and that is 10. If I have been deleting that one, if I have been deleting that one, that is 4. And so basically the question is there, then we will have to at least half of the integer will be removed. In that case it means that I can remove max more than at least half of the integer. It means that I can also remove the more than half of this integer of this array. So it means that first I will, that is 4 is greater than or equals to n by 2, no. So I will insert another variable, that is counting, that is increasing the number of set, basically that is notify that the number of set will updating there basically. So after that there is 3, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 is greater than 2, sorry, not 2, basically n by 2, that means 5. Yes, that is. So in between that, and when I will checking there in previous, I will updating the count plus, because I am already taking that value. So that is why I have been increment the number of set element variable will be incremented. Then after that I will checking that if the sum of that element, that is the element, is greater than or equals to n by 2 or not, greater than or equals to. If that is greater than or equals to n by 2, at that time as such I will return the count. So basically what I'll do that, I'm taking that order of n basically first of all. Then I have been putting all the occurrence of there basically. So I've been taking basically order of n log n is the basically the time complexity for because of the sorting technique of the priority queue, and basically that number of occurrence times is the space complexity. If I've been taking that order of n time, suppose that all the number are different, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so in that case the space complexity will increase up to order of n. So basically I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation right now. So what will happen that first I will taking that the occurrence of that every number, that is for auto I of array, then mp of I plus plus, and after that I will insert into the priority queue integer pq, and for auto I of mp, all the occurrence I have been taking there. So basically pq dot push I dot second. Why second? Because second is the number of occurrence there. Then all the value has been putting there, and for while pq not equals to empty, integer top is equals to pq dot top pq dot pop. That done. After that, okay, I'll have to make initial as the element is equals to 0 and the set count is equals to 0. So what will happen that so first I will adding into the element, so plus of top, then after that I will increment the set count. So after that I will checking that if the element element is greater than or equals to n by 2. Okay, in that case I will return the count, that means set count. Otherwise I will set count outside, and we'll have to make that integer n is equals to array dot size. So let me check that if my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it is correct here. So let me check for there. I think that should also working on. Yeah, it is working my custom test cases. So right now I'm trying to submit my code there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.